This is problem 5 of 8GA1, where we're looking at the properties of rotations, reflections, and translations. These are all congruence transformations, which means that when you start with the pre-image, you're going to get a figure just like it as the image, whether it's a rotation, reflections, or translations. On this one, it says the triangle below is reflected about the y-axis and then translated 4 units to the left. The resulting triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, that's your image because it's got the tick marks. What is the measure of angle C prime? Well, let's look at this. First off, we don't have the measure of angle C, but what we do know is if I go through a reflection and a translation, that angles are taken to angles of the same measure. That means that angle A and angle A prime will have the same measure. Angle B and angle B prime will have the same measure. Angle C and angle C prime will have the same measure. I don't even need to do the transformations. I simply need to know the measure of this angle here, angle C. Now, I know that the 3 angles in a triangle add up to 180. I don't have this measure yet, but I know these 3 add up to 180. This box says this is 90 degrees. So if I add up the angles, 35 and 90, okay, those 2 add up to 125. The 3 angles have to add up to 180, right? So all I have to do is say 180 minus 125, and I would get, let's borrow one here, 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 2 is 5. I've got a 55-degree angle right here. The 3 of those add up to 180. So the measure of angle C prime is going to be 55 degrees.